Now again it's time for maths lecture, so let's begin. In our previous lecture, in our last lecture, we had started exercise 3.2. So today we'll continue the exercise. Today we'll continue the exercise. In the last lecture we had started exercise 3.2 and we had done question number 1. So today we are going to do question number 2. So all of you, no need to write exercise 3.2 as you had already written when you were writing question number 1. Before writing question number 1, you had written the heading exercise 3.2. So no need to write it down again. So let's write the questions. Question number 2 is arrange and subtract. Question number 2 is arrange and subtract. Write it down with me. Okay. So what is the difference between this question number 2 and that question number 1 which we have done in previous lecture? The only difference is that today's questions will be in the form like this. Today, first of all, we have to arrange minuend and subtrahend. We have to find what is the minuend, what is subtrahend. Then we have to arrange them and then solve. The question we were solving till now was arranged in tabular form already. Those questions were arranged already for us. But in today's question, arrange and subtract. First of all, we have to arrange minuend, subtrahend, like place values, ones and tens. Then we have to place all the digits and all the minuend and subtrahend correctly and then solve. Okay, so let's try some questions. Let's start with part A. Part A, that is 65 minus 23. One more thing. See, suppose this is your copy. Your copy looks like this. Box copy look like this. Okay. So what you do, you write like this. This is wrong. Write one number in one box. Like this is your box. You want to write 65. So this is the right way of writing. This will look good in your copy. Then minus sign. So minus sign will go in different box. Then the next number will we write in different box. Okay. So now 23. So we will not write 23 like this. How bad it is looking. So we will write 23 in next box. Okay, like this. Now we have to arrange the numbers and then subtract. So this is the question. So we'll write solution now. Now first of all we'll write places. First of all we will write places. Okay, so I hope now you understood how to write, and since so long I am telling you that put the symbols in different box. Okay, so be remember about that one also. So let's start solution. The very first step is writing the places. Okay, so 2 digits are there. Both the numbers are having two digits. So we will write 2 places, ones and tens. So we had written 2 places. Okay, now the bigger number is our minuend. We had learned minuend, subtrahend and difference, the terms used in subtraction. So what was the minuend? The number, the bigger number from which we subtract the smaller number is called minuend. So for writing minuend, we have to find for bigger numbers. So 65 and 23, which number is bigger, 65 or 23? Very good. 65 is the bigger number. It means it is our minuend. So we'll write 65. Tens below tens and ones below ones. Now the number which is left is obviously our subtrahend, and that is smaller also. So we'll write 23, ones below ones and tens below tens. Now we'll put a minus symbol in different box. Okay. Now make table with the help of scale or ruler. This is how you have to make table. Okay. Now we will subtract. Now the same procedure we had made table now. Now how we do subtraction? We subtract ones from ones and tens from tens. So we always start from the rightmost position, and our rightmost position is ones. So we'll subtract ones from ones, then we'll move towards tens column, then we'll subtract tens from tens. Now 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. So all of you open 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had open 5 fingers. Minus 3. Minus 3, it means we'll take away 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. Minus 3. Now 1 and 2. 2 fingers are left. So we'll write the number 2. We had done addition on finger. So this is how we can do subtraction on fingers too. Okay. Or although you can do it by drawing of sticks also. So 5, so we will draw 5 sticks. Minus 3 is there, so we will cancel out 3 sticks. Now we will count the remaining sticks. So 1 and 2, 2 sticks. So see, either we do by fingers or we do by drawing sticks. Our answer will be same. So it depends on our choice how we are comfortable. If we are comfortable in drawing sticks, then we can draw a stick and do it, or we can do using our fingers or finger marks. Okay. Now moving towards tens column. 6 minus 2. So all of you open 6 fingers with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 2. Minus 2 is there, so we'll take away or we'll remove 2 fingers. 1 and 2. Now we'll count the remaining ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers are left, so we'll write the number 4. So see, 65 minus 23, we arranged 65 and 23 both the numbers. Then we did subtraction and got 42 as result or difference. Okay, so now moving towards next question, next part of the same question, that is part B. 72 minus 41. So let's write 72 minus 41. So again, writing solution. Now again, the first step is writing of places. The first step is writing of places. So first of all, we will write tens and ones. Since 2 digits are there, so we'll write 2 places. Now 72 and 41, which number is bigger, 72 or 41? Which number is bigger? Very good. 72 is the bigger number. It means it is our minuend. So we'll write 72 first, tens below tens and ones below ones. Now 41. 41 is there. Now obviously it is our subtrahend. So we'll write 41. Put minus symbol and make table with the help of scale. Okay. Do not make it by running hand. Now we had found our minuend and subtrahend, and we arranged both the numbers in tabular form. Now we'll subtract. The question was arrange and subtract. So we had arranged. Now we'll subtract. We'll first of all we'll subtract ones from ones. So 2 minus 1. 2 40. Whenever 1 is subtracted from any number, the result is previous number. Once again I am repeating, repeat with me. Whenever 1 is subtracted from any number, the result is previous number. So what is the previous number of 2? Very good. 1 is the previous number of 2. So we will write the number 1. Now we are done with 1's column. Moving towards 10's column. 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4. So all of you open 7 fingers with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now minus 4 is there, so we will take away or remove 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now how many fingers are left? 3 fingers are left. It means we will write the number 3. Okay. So 72 minus 41 is equals to 31. Okay. So now moving towards next part, part C. Part C, 91 minus 50. 91 minus 50. So again we'll write solution, then we'll start solving. The very first step is writing ones and tens. So since 2 digits are there, so let us write both the places. Now we'll write, first of all we will find minuend and subtrahend before writing. So which number is bigger, 91 or 50? Which number is bigger? Very good. 91 is the bigger number. It means it is our minuend. Bigger number is minuend. So we will write 91. Now the another number is subtrahend. We'll put plus sign, minus sign also. Now make table with scale or ruler. Okay, do not make it by running hand. If you are not able to write or note down with me, no issues. I am providing you PDF of notes, so you can note down with that one also. Here, first of all, learn. First of all, watch carefully. Do not write with me if you are not able to write, because when you will start writing, your 90% of the concentration will be in writing only. You will not listen to me properly and your concept will not clear. So the best way is learn from the lecture video and then write from the PDF. Okay. So now the choice is yours. If you want to clear all your concept, then watch the video first. Then the PDF which I am providing, you can write from there also. And if your writing speed is sufficient, then you can write with me also. Okay. So coming towards question again. So subtracting ones from ones. So 1 minus 0. Remember zero property of subtraction. Whenever 0 is subtracted from any number, the result will be number itself. Sorry, excuse me. So 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0 is equals to 1. So we will write the number 1. Now moving towards tens column, 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5. So let's open 9 fingers first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Minus 5. So let's remove 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Initially we were having 9 fingers. We removed 5 fingers. Now 4 fingers are left. So it means we will write the number 4. So 91 minus 50 is equals to 41. So we arranged minuend and subtrahend and we found out the difference, that is 41. Okay, so moving towards next part, that is part D. minus 31. 84 minus 31. Okay, so again writing solution. Now, as the very first step is writing tens and ones, so let's write the places first. 2 digits are there, so we have written 2 places. Now, 84 and 31, which is our minuend? Find out which is our minuend. Very good. 84 is our minuend. So we will write the number 84. Ones below ones and tens below tens. Now the number which is left is our subtrahend, or this smaller number is our subtrahend. So we will write that one too. Now we will make the thing. Okay. So now start subtracting with ones from ones. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1. So whenever 1 is subtracted from any number, the result is previous number. Repeat with me. Whenever 1 is subtracted from any number, the result is previous number. So what is the previous number of 4? Very good. Number 3. So we will write 3 here. Now moving towards tens column. 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3. So let's open 8 finger, all of you with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now minus 3 is there, so we'll take away or we'll remove 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. Now 5 fingers are left. It means we'll write the number 5. So 84 minus 31 is equals to 53. Okay. Now moving towards next question. That is part E. So let's write part E. Part E is 55 minus 24. 55 minus 24. So let's write 55 minus 24. Writing solution also. Now, tell me what is the minuend? The bigger number is our minuend. Yes. So which is the bigger number? Very good. 55 is the bigger number. It means it is our minuend. And the smaller number is 24, and that is our subtrahend. So the very first step is writing the places. Since 2 digits are there, it means we will write 2 places, that is tens and ones. Now minuend is 55, so we will write 55, ones below ones and tens below tens. Okay. Now subtrahend is 24, so we will write 24. We'll put minus symbol also. Okay. Now make the table with the help of scale or ruler. Okay. Now we'll subtract ones from ones. So 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. So we will open 5 finger first. Let's open 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 4 is there. So we'll remove 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 finger is left. So we will write the number 1. Now do tens by your own. Okay, so I hope you got the answer 3. How? 5 fingers, then remove 2 fingers, 3 fingers are left, so we will write the number 3. So 55 minus 24 is equals to 31. So our result or difference is 31. Okay. Now moving towards next question, that is part F. part F. Part F is 66 minus 33. 66 minus 33. Let's write solution first. Now start solving. The very first step is writing of places. 2 digits are there, so we will write 2 places, tens and ones. Okay. Now find out the bigger number. 66 and 33, which one is bigger? Very good. 66 is the bigger number. It means it is our minuend. So let's write 66. Now the 33 is the smaller number. It means it is our subtrahend. So we will write number 33. We'll put plus minus sign as we are doing subtraction. Then we'll make table. All of you do it by scale or ruler. Don't do it by running in. Okay. Now we'll start from the ones place, subtracting ones from ones. Then we'll subtract tens from tens. So 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is there. So first of all we'll open 6 fingers. Let's open 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now minus 3 is there. So we'll take away or we will remove 3 fingers from those 6. Let us remove 1, 2, 3. Now how many fingers are left? 1, 2 and 3. Those 3 fingers are left. It means we'll write the number 3. See, we just did it. 6 minus 3 and 6 minus 3. Both the digits are same. 6 minus 3 and here also both digits are same. 6 minus 3. It means our answer will be also same. So we will write 3 again. So 66 minus 33 is equals to 33. Okay. So now I hope you all are understanding how to arrange. First of all, we will find out the bigger number. The bigger number is our minuend and the smaller number is our subtrahend. Then we will arrange them according to tens and ones. Then we will do subtraction either by using fingers or by drawing sticks. Okay. So moving towards next part, that is part G. Part G is 22 minus 12. 22 minus 12. Now first of all, writing of solution as we are doing solution. Now very first step is writing tens and ones. So since 2 digits are there, so we will write 2 places, that is tens and ones. Now which number is the bigger one? 22 or 12? Very good. 22 is the bigger number and 12 is the smaller number. So it means 22 is minuend and 12 is subtrahend. So let's write 22 as minuend and 12 as subtrahend and putting off minus symbol. And making of table. See, we did all the things. We arranged the number. Now it's time for doing the subtraction. So first of all, we'll subtract ones from ones. So 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is there. Remember subtraction property. Whenever the number is subtracted from itself, the result will be 0. So here 2 is getting subtracted from itself, that is 2 minus 2. So the result will be 0. So let's write the number 0. Now 2 minus 1. Tens column. 2 minus 1. Remember once again subtraction property. Whenever 1 is subtracted from any number, the result will be previous number. So what is the previous number of 2? Very good. It is 1. So we'll write the number 1. So 22 minus 12 is equals to 10. Our difference is 10. Okay. Now which is 44 minus 32. 44 minus 32. Let's write solution first as we are solving it. Now, since both the numbers are having 2 digit, it means we have to write 2 places. So, the very first step is writing of places. So, let's write tens and ones both the places. Now, we'll find out minuend. The bigger number is our minuend. So, which one is bigger, 44 or 32? Very good. 44 is the bigger number. So, we'll write 44 first as minuend. Now, 32. 32 is the smaller number. So, we will write it as subtrahend. As we are doing subtraction, so we'll put minus symbol. Now, we'll make table. You all have to make it with the scale or ruler. Okay? So, now, we will subtract ones from ones and tens from tens. Starting from the ones, 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is there. All of you open 4 fingers with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 2. Minus 2 is there. So, let's remove 1 and 2 fingers. Now, 2 fingers are left. It means 2. We have to write the number 2. Okay? Now, 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. So, again, all of you open 4 fingers with me. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now, minus 3. Minus 3 means we will remove or take away 3 fingers from this 4. So, 1, 2, 3. 1 finger is left. Only 1 finger is left. It means we'll write the number 1. Okay. So, 44 minus 32 is equals to 12. Our result or the difference is number 12. So, I hope now you are able to arrange and subtract. Hope you all are able to arrange and able to find out what is minuend and what is subtrahend. The bigger number is our minuend and the smaller number is our subtrahend. So, students, with this question, with this part H or question H, we are done with the question number 2 of exercise 3.2 as well as we are done with the exercise 3.2 also. Okay. So, this is all for today's lecture. We'll meet in next lecture. Till then, students, bye bye. Stay home, stay safe and keep practicing.